Hi everyone, I'm Srijana Khadge from Nepal, where the world's highest mountain lies, Mount Everest, called as Sagarmatha. Nepal is a very small and a beautiful country, situated between two big countries, India and China. I am a registered nurse from Nepal. I have completed my BSc Nursing from MVJ Medical College and Research Hospital in India, Bangalore. Staying 4 years over there, I realized India has a very huge cultural diversity and they have a different culture, tradition and customs, and the people from India are very lovely and helpful. Right now, I am in Thunder Bay. I'm very happy to know you all guys and very pleased to be the part of this college. Well, today I want to share about my small gift I received from my sister when I came here in Canada. It's a passport holder. It is a customized passport holder. We can put the passport and it looks cool to carry. And here it's written fly high. It's like a motivate quotes for me. And also she have gave me this keychain where my name has been plated. She is my colleague while I was working over there, and we were so close that we came to India as a sister. And she used to encourage me, she used to care me, she used to motivate me, she used to counsel me. That things I'm really missing right now. And I work as a staff nurse in Banepa Hospital, and that is near to my hometown. Working there, I got a chance to work in a various department, and I'm very proud that I am a nurse. And again, I want to add this small gift I received from her again. It's my phone cover. Here she has written Misty. It's my nickname, and this was a surprise gift for her. And I miss her a lot. Well, staying over there was a really good time, and I hope you all guys are fine right now. And I hope again that we will meet soon in a college. Okay, thank you. Bye.